susunod na programa ay rated PG. Patnubay at gabay ng magulang ay kailangan sa mga batang manonood.
You may now take your seats. Once again, we would like to officially welcome you to the NWOW Philippines official brand ambassador media launch. We would also like to welcome our distinguished guests, the chairman of the NWOW China, Mr. Ka Tipu. General Manager of NWOW China, Mr. Liu Beiliu. General Manager of NWOW Philippines, Mr. Lucius Yu. Brand Manager for NWOW Philippines, Mr. Julius Santos. President and CEO of PPL Entertainment Incorporated, Barry B. Nansita. President and CEO of All Access to Artists Inc., Michael B. Tuviera. Executives of All Access to Artists Inc., Ms. Jackie Cara and Mr. Jojo Osonet. And CEO of Blue Star Media, Ms. Bella Lim. We would also like to acknowledge the presence of our content creators, Kuya Magic, Derek Bildenberg, and Ways of John. We also have Lisa, VIPs, and of course, our honored media personnel. Your presence adds grandeur to this special day. This afternoon, we gather for the NWOW Philippines official brand ambassador media launch. Get ready to witness a groundbreaking moment as we unveil the new faces of NWOW, the pioneers of the new era in modern transportation. Join us as we embark on an exciting journey that will redefine the way you see and experience the future of mobility. To kick off this event, let's all be serenaded by a performance from the Crazy Fam Band.
Just like NWOW's goal of providing a ride for a family, let me take my family on a ride with me here on stage. Let me call my mom and my dad. Together, we hope that you like our performance as a family, just like how NWOW would like to provide service.
Ladies and gentlemen, a big round of applause for the Crazy Fam Band. Good afternoon, everyone. I can't seem to feel the energy here. Good afternoon, everybody.
Good afternoon!
All right, welcome to the NWOW Philippines official brand ambassador media launch. My name is Sheldon Cruz, and I will be your host for this afternoon. Now, for those who do not know who NWOW is, or is the first time, which is practically impossible since, NWOW is the leading electric bike provider here in the Philippines. But for those who are first-timers here, NWOW strives to make travel easier, more efficient, and more convenient. Committed to providing suitable new energy transportation for every family in the Philippines. In the future, NWOW will continue to build a good reputation with excellent strength, and serve every Filipino family. And we are gathered here today to witness a very, very exciting and very momentous day as we welcome the first ever brand ambassadors of NWOW Philippines. How about a round of applause for that? This is super exciting, and they won't be here live to sign their contracts, but at the same time to talk more about why they are so interested to be part of the NWOW Philippines family. Now, I'm pretty sure you guys are also curious as to why we have vehicles inside the hall. We have two here in front and one at the back. Well, these are the EMC Golf. Now, they are e-bikes, versatile electric vehicles designed for various applications, including recreational use, short commutes, and golf course transportation. It's practical design with a unique four-wheel configuration and is well suited for family use, accommodating both a driver and a co-driver in front, along with additional seating in the back. So if you guys are curious to know more about this, or at least you are curious to see what it has to offer, you can visit our installations again right here in front. We've got two on the sides and one at the back later on after our program. Now, of course, NWOW believes that we move together. Can we all say that together? We move together. There you go. And of course, NWOW is the most popular electric vehicle brand in the Philippines. Now, my question is for you. Are you excited to witness the first ever ambassadors of NWOW Philippines? Parang hindi pa tayo ganun ka-excited. I need that energy. So when they're here, pagkakatawa ka sila dito, talagang parang nagsigawan. Again, are you excited to see our NWOW ambassadors? So keep that energy. Yan ang energy na kailangan natin later as they come here in front. Now, again, we have a very packed show for you guys. Of course, later on, we'll have some moments with Tito Dantes and Marian Rivera Dantes. We'll have opportunities to ask their questions, I mean. So later on, ayan, gagawin natin yan. But of course, to know more about why we're here, to know more about the reason why we're all here together, let's call on stage the brand manager of NWOW Philippines, Mr. Julio Santos, to give us a message. Round of applause, everybody.
Hello everyone. Great afternoon, fans, influencers, honored guests, and media friends. I want to express my gratitude for attending the signing conference for NWOW Brand Ambassadors. It's a great honor for me to celebrate this momentous celebration with you on behalf of NWOW Company. I'm Jesus Hart. First and foremost, I want to express my gratitude to everyone who consistently believe and support NWOW. In this very competitive business, NWOW is able to drive your attention and support. In a cost-more my deepest gratitude to each and every one of you in behalf of Animal employees. Reflecting on the previous 13 years of annual development, we have remained at heart, pragmatic and innovate ideas while keeping the requirements of our users. While battling the effects of ongoing market changes, Enwa has consistently maintained its product should be affordable for the majority of customers. Enwa prioritize user experience, security, dependability. We have consistently pushed ourselves on the last 30 years to provide raised, reasonable price, useful products for the market. In order to suit the needs of the wide range users, Enwa has grown into enterprise with 7 series, 23 products from range and models, B11 series, classic family, commercial models like PMC, ERBS2, GB2, etc. We are pleased to introduce and welcome the new partners, Mr. Dino Dantes, Ms. Marian Rivera, and their adorable son, 69 years. In the effort to further communicate the brand concept and image of Enwa, I extend my heartfelt gratitude to the Dantes family. On behalf of Enwa staff, they are both well-known anchors and represent the most powerful families in the Philippines. They are also idolized by the image of loving and blessed family. Working with the Dantes families closer reaches the company mission, becoming synonymous comfort, convenience, and safety. And how better communicate in that concept, making transportation easier and bringing family closer. The Dantes family will emphasize on boosters, help our ambassadors, their widespread social media awareness and impact, make it easier for the families and communities to learn about, purchase, and all products. Thereby, the movement of the environment-friendly transportation. We shall see now Enwa and the Dantes family collaborating today, advance the annual development, and pay attention to the growth of sustainable energy in the Philippines. Let's give a round of applause to Mr. Dino Dantes, Ms. Marian Rivera, and our ambassadors. Once more, I want to thank everyone. Happy New Year and Merry Christmas. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Sir Julius, for that wonderful message. I feel like everyone was so excited, anticipating that Ding Dong and Marian would come out of the door. Tama ba? Well, you guys have to wait a little bit longer. You know, a little bit longer, a little bit shorter. Because they will be here in a few minutes. But again, no, tama yung sinabi ni Sir Julius, who would be a better ambassador for a family brand such as Enwa than, of course, the Dactyls. Do you guys agree? Diba, no? But also, no, we want you guys to take some videos, take some photos of this day because, again, this is the first time, the first ever ambassadors of NWOW Philippines, and we're so excited to have them here and join us. So make sure to take photos, take videos of this momentous occasion, and share it to all of your friends because I'm pretty sure you guys that they would also love to know that the Dactyls are now part of the NWOW family. Can we give that a round of applause? But again, of course, with the Dactyls, we also would like again to acknowledge the presence of our VIPs who are here with us, joining us during this momentous day. So again, we'd like to thank and of course acknowledge the presence of our NWOW China Chairman, Mr. Candy Wu. Thank you very much for coming here. We'd also like to acknowledge the presence of NWOW China's General Manager, Mr. Liu Biyong. Thank you very much for coming here. As well as, of course, the NWOW Philippines General Manager, Mr. Lucius Liu. Thank you so much for coming here as well. Again, from our speech earlier, our brand manager for Philippines, Mr. Julius Santos, thank you so much for coming. Now, ladies and gentlemen, we have come to the exciting part. But before that, we would like to invite here on stage to join us for the official signing of our ambassadorship of the Dactyls family and the NWOW Philippines. Can we have here on stage brand manager for NWOW Philippines, Mr. Julius Santos. President and CEO of PPL Entertainment, Mr. Barry Gillespie. The General Manager of NWOW Philippines, Mr. Lucius Liu. And the President and CEO of All Access to Artists Inc., Mr. Michael B. Fuguera. And now, ladies and gentlemen, the moment we've all been waiting for. Brace yourselves for NWOW Philippines' first ever brand ambassadors, Mr. Dino Dantes and Mrs. Marian Rivera Dantes. Now, ladies and gentlemen, I do not think we need to prolong this any further. The contracts are in front of our esteemed guests. So how about we officially seal the deal and make this official? Once again, this is NWOW Philippines' official brand ambassador, Peter Lodge. You may now sign the contracts. Now the deal has been sealed. A round of applause to our official brand ambassadors of NWOW Philippines. Now let's take a moment to savor this occasion by taking a few photo ops. Let's do a seated photo op for now. Now we would like to request our guests on stage to please stand up for a standing photo of naman po. Can we also hold the contract for the photos, please? Thank you very much. Alright, now we have our usheress get our contracts. Thank you very much. Once again, a round of applause for our ambassadors. Now, as a symbol of the ambassadorship, Mr. Liu will be handing over IDs for our ambassadors, while Mr. Santos will be handing over the big key to Ding Dong and Marian. Now you may hand over Mr. Santos and Mr. Liu. You may now hand over the IDs and keys to the Dantas family. Signifying the harmonious partnership of the Dantas family and the NWOW Philippines, we have given them the IDs for ambassadorship and their keys to the NWOW family. And of course, as a token of our appreciation to our ambassadors, we would also like to offer you with a set of flowers. Thank you very much to our guests. You may now please be seated. We are so happy to have you here today, Mr. Ding Dong and Ms. Marian. Maybe a few words for all of our guests here joining us today. A few words.
Check.
Magandang hapon po sa inyo lahat. Sa lahat ng pupunan NWOW, Sir Liu, Sir Julius, magandang hapon, good afternoon. And to some of our friends who are here right now, some fanatics, to the employees of NWOW, to the representatives of NWOW, and to our friends in media, good afternoon. We're very honored to partner with NWOW this afternoon. That's why later on we'll be talking about our experience with, of course, this vehicle and paano namin talaga may integrate ito sa buhay namin sa ating pamilya. Kaya muli, maraming salamat sa tiwala and we're looking forward to this awesome partnership with NWOW.
Thank you very much. Now, like what you mentioned, you will be answering a few questions. So now we move on to our Q&A. We have some friends here who will be asking their questions, but I'll start with a few right now. Any of you can answer, Sir Ding Dong, Ms. Marian. What inspired the Dantas family to partner with NWOW, the leading electric bicycle in the Philippines?
Wala ko na yun. Itong mga nakaraang buwan kasi at mga nakaraang linggo, naging very, very busy kami sa aming trabaho. Dahil alam niyo, sa mga nakakalam, Kakatapos lang po na aming pelikulang Rewind, magsushoot. Pinopromote po namin siya araw-araw dahil sa 25 na Metro Manila Film Festival. Sobrang excited kami dahil ngayon lang ako kasama after 13 years. And having said that, yung oras namin talaga sa bahay, sa mga bata, medyo nabawasan. Kaya ngayon na may panahon kami, looking forward kami sa mga bagong memories, mga bagong exciting activities na pwede namin gawin together. And malaking bagay na nagagawa namin siya ng magkakasama. Kaya sa pamamagitan ng bagong vehicle na ito, nakakapunta kami sa mga malalapit na lugar sa aming barangay to do recreational stuff. Just as simple as halimbawa playing in the park, di ba, sa pagpupunta sa simbahan, yung mga bagay na minsan nagagawa lang ng dalawa, dahil kunyari, kung sasakay kami ng bisikleta o scooter, ito, sabay-sabay namin nagagawa yung mga bagay. So yun po, kaya kami pumayag, kaya kami na-excite sa partnership na ito. It's to build more memories with our family.
That is beautiful.
Tulad po sinabi ni Dog, duduktuan ko lang, very excited kami. Actually, nang represent sa amin to, parang sabi namin, patingin. Tapos nakita namin yung ganito, parang wow, kasya kaming apat. So yun yung look forward namin sa sobrang busy ng schedule namin. Palagi kahit may konting oras kami, ibibigay namin sa mga anak namin kasi gusto namin talaga palagi kami nagbabali. So, siguro mag-create pa kami ng maraming memories na kasama yung mga anak namin. At nakasakay dapat kami dyan.
Tama. And you cannot wait to see that, syempre. What are best practices naman or lessons that you've learned, especially yung narinig nyo na yung tagline ng NWOW is we move together.
Gaya ng nasabi kanina, mahalagang magkakasama tayo di ba? Kasi mahalaga yung oras. Hindi natin alam kung marami lang tayong busy, hindi natin namamalayan yung mga kids ang bibilis nilang lumaki. Kaya we have to make the most of each opportunity na pwede natin gawin together. Kagaya ng nabanggit ko kanina, be as simple as going to the park. Diba? Creating new memories together. Kahit simpleng simpleng ride lang. Kasi lalo na mga bata, mahilig sila sa joyride, diba? But of course, always taking into consideration yung safety. Mahalaga po yung safety. In fact, kahit po ganyan yung vehicle, nire-require ko pa rin yung mga anak ko magsuot ng helmet tsaka yung mga
pads,
bukas. Kasi madalas kami nag-ibisikleta rin. So, sabi ko para just for added protection, extra safety, kahit naman di kailangan, maglagay pa rin tayo.
That's awesome. Now, syempre, sinabi na natin kanina, you guys are the first ambassadors of NWOW Philippines. So how does it feel to actually be part of NWOW Philippines, and especially when you heard na ito nga pinresent sa inyo yung opportunity to be the face of NWOW Philippines?
Of course, very proud kami. Lalo na sabi nga namin, priority talaga namin is the family. So, every time na may mga ganitong pagkakataon, tapos involve yung family namin, ay sobrang happy kami at palagi namin yung look forward. Kasi ini-imagine, sama-sama kami na mag-create ng mga magagandang memories. Even if busy kami parehas, eto, make sure natin, kahit sa konting oras na yun, pwede kami mag-stroll kasama yan.
And very fun din,
Yes! So, kasi mag-enjoy din mga anak ko kapag talagang nag-ride sila dyan. Kaya very excited. Actually, pag uwi namin, mag-ride na kami.
Ayun na nga yun.
Sa car. Diba?
hear the first one from Miss Janice Navila, Bulgar.
Hi, good afternoon, Dingdong and Marian. Congratulations on your new endorsement. Kayo talaga yung family na mabenta pagdating sa endorsement. So my first question lang, kasi I'm just wondering, kanina sabi si Sixto kasama yun dito, pero bakit hindi nakasama si Sira?
Well, dun sa testing namin, kasama sa, nung testing namin sa,
Pero dun sa contract,
yeah, may mga there's still some stuff that we're talking about, but rest assured, ang gagamit nito ay kami apat.
so may mga pinag-uusapan pa.
Miss Janice, I believe you have a question regarding the NWOW.
Yes, yun sa, yun nga, yung contract with NWOW. Sabi ko, I was just wondering, ba't hindi sila kasama si Sia? Kasi I'm thinking na baka masyado lang mataas ang talent fee ni Sia.
Oh, Miss
Pero
Janice.
then, yun nga, gaya ng sabi ko kanina, nung tinesting namin sa, kami apat, kasi talaga pang pamilya talaga.
And yung actually question ko, kasi nasagot na din ni Dingdong kanina na parang, when and where do you plan to use this vehicle, diba? So, ang tanong ko na lang, kay Marian ba kaya mong i-drive na wala si Dingdong? Kung ikaw lang yung mag-stroll with the kids?
Kaya! Kasi alam mo, sana mamaya masubukan mo. After nito, gusto kong pumunta ka doon para mag-drive. O kahit dyan na mo. Kasi madali siyang gamitin. Yun yung isa sa pinakamaganda dito. Hindi siya mahirap gamitin. Kumbaga, kung nasa right age ka, at kakayanin mo naman ng left and right at stop, kaya-kaya mo siyang i-drive.
Well, thank you very much, Miss Janice of Bulgar. Pero tama, no? Kasya kayo apat dito. Super exciting yan. Alright, we have another question naman from Net25. Can we have a representative from Net25, please?
Hello, this is Cesar from News of Net 25. I would like to ask for the celebrity co-host. Very blessed po kayo this 2023 and you know kasi ilang beses na po namin kayo nakaharap, different press cons, different media cons, individual and kayo po family. And now you with NWOW and paano po nangyari na kayo po ay napunta dito sa another ventures na ito and kumusta po 2023?
Siguro po kung paano nangyari si Sir Julius po yung nararapat na sumunod. Yung iba kami po.
Hello. Magandang araw po ulit sa inyong lahat. Good afternoon. Kung paano po nangyari, we have communication sa mga natin, sa mga advertisings namin. Then, sila po nagpag-communicate sa kina Ma'am Maria and Sir Dong.
Using that celebrity co-host, sila po ba talaga yung inyong pong first priority?
Yes, of course. Hello. Yes. If you can see po, yung ating mga models is pinoportray nito is for families. So, dun pa lang, swak na.
Thank you very much, Sir Julius. Thank you very much for that wonderful question. Now, again, it's nice that we have the Dantes family representing NWOW, a family brand, and of course, a family that represents Filipino values. Thank you very much, and once again, pagkapaw po natin ang ating official brand ambassadors for NWOW Philippines. please stand up and go in front of the table wall for a few more photos. But this time, we would also like the chairman of NWOW China, Mr. Kang Wu, to please join us here on stage for a quick photo op. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, if you would like to check out NWOW Philippines' brand new offer, the EMC Golf, you may check out our installations. Here in front, we've got 2 and 1 at the back. All right, thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. Once again, Mr. Lito Dantes and Ms. Marian Rivera Dantes. I believe that Mr. We have a few words for our ambassadors.
Hello. Good afternoon. Thank you for being here today to celebrate a special moment with us. Let us give a warm welcome to the Dantes family. Our first ever NWOW ambassadors. The embodiment of strong family values make them the perfect choice for the role. To the Dantes family, we wish you lots of success in your new role. May it be as exciting and meaningful as your family bond. Here's to many happy moments on the road together. Thanks again to everyone who joined us. Let's look forward to more NWOW drives and the warmth of family, safe travel, and see you on the NWOW roller ahead. Thank you again. Maraming salamat.
Thank you very much, Mr. Lucius. Once again, thank you very much as well to our VIP, Sir Barry, Sir Julius, Sir Michael. Maraming salamat. And of course, Ding Dong and Marian. Maraming salamat. Once again, our official brand ambassadors for NWOW Philippines. Ladies and gentlemen, I believe that Dantes would want to say something to everyone here.
Ayan, muli po. NWOW family, maraming pong salamat sa pagtuwa po sa amin. Very excited kami ni Dong na makakreate ng mga new memories kasama po yung anak namin. Sana kayo din i-experience nyo si NWOW, pero syempre, alamin natin yung mga safety para sa atin. At ito na, si Daddy Dong may sasabihin sa inyo.
Muli, maraming salamat. Thank you for the trust. And siguro, muling mensahe bilang isang ama, bilang isang asawa, na madalas na nagmamaneho ng ganitong vehicle, huwag po natin kakalimutan na maging responsible drivers and riders. Kasi katulad ng lahat ng mga vehicles na ating minamaneho, sinisiguro ko na may proper training at lahat. Lalong-lalo na let's be mindful of our existing regulations on the road. Kaya number one para sa amin po sa aking pamilya ay parati po silang ligtas. Number one rule po yan. Kaya yun po ang aming panguling mensaya. Muli, maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. Thank you for the time.
Thank you very much. Once again, a round of applause to the Dantas family. Ladies and gentlemen, do not forget to share this occasion to all of your friends and family on social media. Once again, meron na pong official brand ambassadors ang NWOW Philippines. Of course, the Dantas family. Thank you so much for joining us today for this occasion, and we cannot wait to see you guys post more memories of you, your family, and NWOW Philippines together. Once again, if you guys want to check out our installations of the EMC, you may check out our hall. We've got some right here in front as well as at the back. Once again, this has been...
Ito pa. Uy, saan na nakalala to? Saan? Sa labas. Sa labas daw.
Yan, We would like to request NOL China Chairman Mr. Kang Min-woo to join the dancers at the back for a quick photo op.
Yes.
Like to. Ay, Pao!
Okay, kilala lang ako muna po.
RV, ayun sila yun.
Epic palit.
Live yun ha, live. So parang 10 o'clock yata kayo lang. Kailangan makagaga doon. 2 o'clock live.
Yeah, may pero wala pa.
Ayun, tanong nyo, di ba? Live. Wala the voice of the map. Tapos, ano naman meron sila? Schedule nila ay ano?
Ilocano ba siya? Oo, Ilocano. Si mami niya. Si papa. Kaya nga nila pwesto na. Sige na. May ko kanila kami schedule kayo. Wala daw ano. Kailangan ko, sir. Wala date.
Yan guys, wait natin guys, lalabas sila Ding Dong Marin guys. Lalabas sila dito po guys.
Sino parade nila? Sino parade? So the Botas ang start. The Botas? 2 p.m. ang start ng parade. 2 p.m. Valenzuela. Mag-i-end yun sa Valenzuela People's Park. Tapos, lang. Magandang buhay. 19 magandang buhay sa taping yon. 10 a.m. yon. Wala kayo, pwede kayo magsabi na doon kaagad. 10 a.m. yun, magandang buhay ha. O, sulat nyo lang, hindi ko ito maulitin ha. Wala nagsusulat ha.
Hindi, naka-live naman po eh.
Ayan. 10 a.m. ng December 19, magandang buhay. Sa 13, December 13, live TikTok lang. Tapos,
yung kanilang nabotas sa Valenzuela, yung parade. December 16.
si Ding Dong lang yata ang nasa Itbulaga ng December 21. Pero walking na yung interview lang sa Itbulaga, Jimmy.
Ayan na, lalabas na.
So, ano lang po kami?
Yes, sorry.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Sa kanila dapat dito magandang buhay.
Sama-sama po.
19 yun.
19.
Tama ka?
Kilit na lang muna tayo ko. Para mas okay.
Sir, weekend yun po iposa kasi corruption kami. Weekend yun na lang po iposa. Hindi ako nagsisigil sa'yo.
Ano?
Ang lamig na kami mo. Ano ba itong pagkain ito? Ay, wala na. Sinaron.
Baka lumabas na sila.
May 5,000.
Yes, po. Ayun. Dalawa?
Isa lang.
Ay, hindi, kasama ko sa labas.
Dito na lang.
Ah, sige, papuntay ko na lang. Thank you.
Ano meron?
Kasi hindi po.
Kanya-kanya kuha. Kanya-kanya kuha. Kanya-kanya. Ikaw na. Papunta na lang doon. Papunta ka na lang doon kasi kilala ako. Sige na. Ayaw nga. Sabi ko, nasa labas ka lang. Sabi niya, papunta na lang dito. Kanya-kanya doon.
Doon yung bahay ng anak ko. Sa Nicolas. Sino?
Wait lang guys ha, palabas na sila guys. Palabas na.
At saka sa National Mental. Nag-ano siya. Parang ginawa. Saan?
Nangingi ko sa'yo.
Kuya, ayos na.
Ayun na, lalabas na. Kilala ako. Namukhaan na. Sabi ko, nasa labas.
Sabi ni... Dito na tayo.
Ano po kayo? Wala pong pila.
Isang ganun lang para isang kusura lang.
Pakord tayo, pakord.
Parang family picture.
Parang family. Last picture, last picture.
Last picture, ika nga.
Kaya, pakatras na lang po.
Atras, atras. Atras. Atras, pakatras. Atras tayo, dito tayo. Ito nga, paano yung theater? Malaki ang katawan niya.
Pasay lang, pasay.
Kaya nga. Hindi ako nakita. Dapat sa unawa.
Wait lang guys ha, palabas na sila guys. Excuse me.
Oh, wala po na.
Atras tayo, atras.
Dito lang kayo, dito lang po.
Atras!
Para paglaan na.
Makibaka. Makibaka. Atras tayo.
Pag yun po nagbawal, wala tayong gagawa.
Pero, dito ka sa amin.
Huwag na po kayong dumikit kasi didiretso naman dito po dyan eh. Para makadaan po sila ayos.
Asa na nagpipicture?
Sige po, gilid po.
Ay, si Kuya!
Usog lang po. Please.
Atras tayo, atras daw tayo.
Matras na lang po.
Atras daw.
Lalapit naman eh.
Malapit na ho. Hintayin nyo na lang.
Dito po.
Dong yan! Dong! Kami dong yan!
Dong! Roster! Dong yan! Yes! Bas! Oy, ayos tayo, mga kapatid.
Nakado sa escalator dadaan.
Escalator to dadaan. Escalator daw.
Ano kay Pero? Sa escalator dadaan. Para dito escalator.
Oh, 1, 2, 3.
Love you, love you!
1, 2, 3. Dong yan! From ka na nun. Dito na po sa dito ka muna daw. Kinikilig na si Ate Josie. Nakadaroon eh. Basta dito lang tayo. Escalator. Dito tayo sa escalator.
Ayun na din sabi.
Dito tayo.
Sabi ni Perry, dito po.
Doon na tayo. Doon tayo.
Guys, sabi ko, para sa lahat kasi how you will see your parents, yung mga kaibigan mo. So, kabit-kabit na yan eh. Kaya, natutuwa kami na yun yung susunod sa akin. Sana,
Dito na.
Ang ganda na nga ng pwesto natin eh. Dito. Munod na tayo. Kuya!
Picture tayo.
Kuya!
Nabawasan ng hotel.
Atras tayo. Sa harap.
Picture daw.
Picture, bro!
Sa picture lang ha, sa... Ayan, oh. Sama-sama kayo, ayan.
Una sabihan kami.
Salamat po. Thank you.
meron ba?
Pero, yan.
Hindi naman namin salamat.
Salamat.
Thank you. Okay na, masaya na.
Thank you po.